I'm Paul. I live in Abergavenny. I've been a foster carer now for 4 years. Got 6 children of my own, and we've just recently had identical twin boys move in. So that's our latest challenge, our latest placement. So yeah, never a dull moment. We're basically nominated by my brother-in-law for kinship care, which actually didn't happen, but my wife and I were so passionate about what we'd seen and what we thought, fostering could bring to us, both as individuals and as a family. And we've now fostered 3 sets of children, all of whom we keep in contact with. And it's lovely to see the children develop, grow and move forward. You don't always get the full picture of what it is you're taking on. You basically got to deal with the cards that are presented in front of you, particularly the behavioural side, because clearly a lot of children that go into care, they're not going to be all singing or dancing children that perhaps you see in your own families. And that's to be expected, because you've always got to remember where children have come from, what have they been through. We take on a lot of younger children, they can't actually tell you what they've been through or what's happened to them. So you do really learn a lot from doing the job and learn to understand and have empathy with the children. I think as long as you go into fostering open-minded, with that commitment, I don't think you'll go far wrong. The key to fostering for me is you get involved, you get your hands dirty, you have good engagement with the local authority, and the most important thing is that you're doing right by that child and you're giving that child 110% support every day. Obviously, I'm a man, I've got a full-time job, I do fostering on the side, I call it job 2, so I go from job 1 to job 2 every single day. I guess I'm living proof that men can do it. You can do it if you've got another job, and you can do it if you sat on the fence. The difference you've made to that child's life is, something really that's difficult to describe. I've loved every minute of it, and I'm looking forward to doing it for many more years to come.